Gonna be a quick video. I wanna say RIP to ElevenLabs. I think it's over. I think it's over for Method I want to reveal. So this video, bro, I just was on Twitter, just made a tweet. I want to show you guys how to use this tool to create our voiceover. So this tool can now make our voiceover. We don't gotta use ElevenLabs. It can make our voiceover for the short, and we can use it to go out. So I'm gonna let y'all listen to the voiceovers, how good it is, how good sound it is. So first thing we want to do is we want to go over ElevenLabs real quick. So we want to just go log into it, and we basically want to go over there. So we basically want to make sure the tool comes out with a good voiceover for us to use. So we're using the same tool we already recorded, just showed y'all. We're using the same tool over called Scotty. So yeah, so what I'm gonna basically do is scroll to the bottom of this page. I'm gonna hit this arrow, and what I'm gonna basically do is I'm gonna come at ElevenLabs. Alright, so I want to show you guys what I'm about to do real quick. So I'm gonna come at ElevenLabs. I'm basically just gonna sign in real quick, and I'm not gonna make no prompt or anything. So I'm gonna go to the home page. I'm gonna make this quite easier for y'all to understand. And yeah, like I said, I don't want to overcomplicate shit. Like I'll be saying, oh, it takes you overcomplicate shit. So I'm gonna go to voices right here. I'm gonna go to models. I'm gonna copy all this right here, just so the voiceover it creates comes out great. So we just go to right here. We just paste this, and what I'm gonna do is paste this right here. All right. I'm gonna now come over there. I'm gonna basically say now create me a voiceover. So I'm gonna come over there. I'm gonna basically tell we're gonna take our ElevenLabs. So I'm gonna say create me a mp3 voice over file like ElevenLabs, but make the voice over great with a male voice of my script. Alright, so it's gonna basically make the voiceover file of my script. It's gonna make us the voiceover. It's gonna make us the voiceover file that we can use. So like I said, this tool is really great over here, and it saved us, bro. So I just literally just found out this method like literally just now of me just fucking around with it. So yeah, so like I said, I was just up here fucking around with it, just playing around with the tool, and I found this way so that and it could create this voiceover. So I brought this to your attention, bro. So like I said, if I get any more updates on these AI tools, I'm gonna let y'all know, bro. But this right here, we came in clutch with this, bro. Y'all really need this, bro. And I was really waiting though. I was waiting to find a great method like this, so for shorts, because I got tired of using this shitty ass 11 AI voices. I want to basically now get my own voice. That way we could get our own voice using the AI tools that nobody never used before. So yeah, man. So like I said, I came in clutch with this method. I want to give you shout out to YouTube for even leaving me on, bro. These videos is getting better and better over time. So yeah, but like I said, it's gonna go ahead and now create the voiceover file. So it's gonna go through and create it. It's not basically coding it. It's doing this thing, coding it. So we just wait for it to code it. It's gonna code it and get it ready. So yeah, so you guys can see I was over here on my computer on my main logged into my main one, and I was just trying out the tool, and I told it to create me a voiceover. It gave me the .mp3 of what we could download. So I'm gonna let you guys listen to it though. And yeah, so like I said, this tool is really great, and it's really great for us to use. So I'm gonna go to try again right here. But yeah, so I say, guys, if you guys want, bro, you really, bro, just use this, bro, wisely, bro, before this method do get patched. And I know soon they probably might patch it soon eventually, but we're good right now. We got all the sauce, but yeah. So use it wisely though before it do get patched, because I know soon this method's probably gonna get patched, and these methods probably gonna get patched, and they probably gonna come out with an update. But yeah, but like I said, I got y'all though, and let y'all know updates one by one. Every update I get, every new way I get, I'm giving it to y'all. So I'm giving it to y'all, bro. And yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna sign into this real quick again, and we're signed into it. All right, so I'm gonna go over here, right here, and make sure I'm fully signed in. All right, so I'm gonna sign in right here. I'm gonna just sign in. Alright, guys, so it won't let us sign in. So I don't know what that issue is. But yeah. But, like I said, it's not letting us sign in, but I'm going to show you how to do it off of. Let's go over there. Alright, so we're good. Alright, so what I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to go right here. I'm going to click this. And I'm going to basically click this line right here. And I'm going to basically go to this right here. I'm going to go to where I was just chatting with. So if our chat ran out and you don't gotta download this, bro, we're good. So I'm gonna go over to here right here. What I'm gonna basically do is I'm gonna download our chat. I'm gonna download our data that which just gave us a script, everything it gave us. So I'm gonna open up the chat. I'm gonna download this data, and what I'm gonna do is basically feed it back, and I'm gonna tell it to make me a voiceover. So this tool's gonna go in and make us clone us a voiceover. Clone us a voiceover that never been used. Basically like the ElevenLabs one. So we're making things a bit easier, and we don't gotta overstress about the voiceovers. We now have AI tools that could create you only need one whole voiceover for your channel. So like I said, it's way easier, bro. And like I said, if you like this way, and me doing this and what I do, please drop a like, because guess what? No other guru will drop this amount of sauce I drop on YouTube. It ain't over just yet. And I got hella more ways. I got niche leaks to do. I got script bending to do. I got script frameworks. I got script skeleton videos to do. We just getting started, bro. So like I said, bro, we just getting started. But yeah, so man. So like I said, man, we just getting started. Is this the starting of the trial of the method? Y'all haven't seen none yet, bro. So yeah, bro. So like I said, we got way more methods coming out, and I also got soon. I'm dropping I'm dropping on my video. I'm dropping on my channel. I dropped on my other channel, the full method, so we I could create full videos. So yeah, so we gotta basically download this. We now gotta go to a new thread. We're gonna just basically have it create us a voiceover. So we're gonna see if it created us a voiceover. All right, so it made us a voiceover. It actually made us it. So let's scroll up. All right, so it didn't make us it. So we're gonna go to a new thread. I'm gonna just basically just paste this file here, and I'm gonna basically just Alright, so I'm gonna say so CSV PDF. Alright, so we're gonna go back to the thread, and we basically wanna convert this. So we wanna basically go to here. We wanna open this up, and we basically wanna copy this. We wanna come to a new chat. We basically wanna paste this. So when we paste this, we give it all this data. Alright, so I'm going to give it all this data. Now what I'm going to have it do, make me a voiceover, good time, matching the script, a voiceover .mp3 file. Alright, so I'm going to now go over to ElevenLabs. I'm going to copy and paste this data right here. You guys got the data. Alright, so like I said, we don't want to reinvent none. We don't want to make none to our use it, go, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the method, bro. I hope you guys actually enjoyed the way. And let's see if it lets us do it. So hold up, delete. Alright, so this is something went wrong. Please drag in while processing. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, chat, is basically come over to this right here. I'm gonna basically put this in the TXT. So I'm gonna say convert TXT to CSV. So we're gonna just convert this to a CSV. Yeah. So we're gonna go right here. So we just want to convert this basically this TXT right here to a CSV. So what we're just basically doing is converting this TXT to a CSV file. So we're gonna go right here to downloads. We're gonna go to convert this to a CSV. So when we convert this to a CSV, all we just do is now download it. So we're gonna come in here, convert. We can't convert it over. Alright, so it can't convert it over. So what I'm gonna do is try another tool. So I'm gonna go over there. I'm gonna go to TXT, convert to CSV. So what we're gonna now do is convert this file over to CSV. So we're gonna basically go to here. We're gonna basically now paste it. Alright, so we now paste it. So what we wanna do is scroll down to the bottom. We wanna go over to this right here. And we wanna go to convert to CSV. So you see now we basically download the CSV with the CSV file. So what we're gonna try to do again is attach the CSV file here. Attach it here and see if it's upload. So convert this to a voiceover for my short for me to use a .mp3 file. Alright, so we're gonna see if it lets us do this. So if it don't let us do this right here. Alright, so we want to see if it lets us do this. So if it don't let us do this, we know that this tool is bugging. So please wait for the current response. Alright, so try again. So we want to basically go there. Alright, so this tool is bugging, which is great. So I'm gonna go up to here. I'm gonna basically go to this. I'm gonna basically now sign into this right here, and I'm gonna go over to this. I'm gonna go back to home, and I'm gonna basically sign it right here with my Gmail. So I'm gonna use my Gmail for today, but y'all can use the Microsoft method I just gave you in the last video. So I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna now make sure I sign into this. All right. So what I'm gonna do is basically give it this .mp file. So yeah. So we're gonna go right here. So we're gonna basically have it converted over to a .mp4. So sometimes the limits run out, which is great, but we have ways to bypass it, so we're good. All right. So we're gonna come over to this right here. We now basically wanna paste this right here. So what we wanna do is convert this right here. We want to paste this, and we want to basically have it converted over to a .mp3. So you see right here, so it's going to do its thing, and we got a whole new fresh new chat, but we gave it a CSV file of our data that we was just chatting about with the script and everything. So it's going to now convert this over to a CSV file for the voiceover. So it's going to now make us a voiceover we could use. Yeah, so it's going to let us know hang tight. So yeah, so like I said, the other chat right there is limited. When this happens, as long as you got your data in the TXT, you're good. So as long as you have your data in the TXT, which is going to put it in, you're good. So easy reading file shells. So my bad for the mic. So what we now basically do now is wait for this to finish. And what it's gonna basically do is get the script. It's gonna get this data. It's gonna basically get everything ready. So it's gonna basically collect all of it right here. So we wanna basically say mail. Alright, so you see right here, so we wanna do mail, contribute. So you see copilot. So it's gonna scan and do this. So it's gonna make us a voiceover with a US mail. And yeah, so like I said, what we're basically doing now is stitching this, and it's gonna put us over a clean voiceover file. What saved us ours, what saves y'all having to pay for ElevenLabs, having to pay for all those AI softwares out there, cause bro, they're shit, bro, and they're no good. So like Terry's gotta come through with new methods that has never ever been done on the YouTube platform. So I'm the first best YouTuber streamer worldwide. Call whatever you want. I go up here and I try my best, and I'm gonna keep working for me being the best. Like I said, Terry's gang on top, bro, and we come through with great methods like this. We come through. And gurus can't touch my limits. They can't touch my knowledge. They can't even overbeat my knowledge. I'm gonna keep going hard and keep going as hard as I go. And I got as many more ways, and we gonna keep racking up. So yeah, we gonna keep racking up methods, keep making these methods with AI. And yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, and I'm now about to end this video. So yeah, so you can see that we had now the voiceover. So we download it, and we're gonna listen to it, and we're gonna let it play. And I'm gonna show you guys that it work in actually CapCut. So yeah, so we could go to. So I'm gonna launch actually CapCut. So I'm gonna just let it play. I'm gonna let y'all listen to it real quick. So we're gonna let it play real quick. So yeah. So like I said, this is new sauce that I just found. I found this on my own. No guru posted this. Gurus are cap.
Why do U.S. fighter jets look like they have no cam? It's not because America's dead. Sometimes the smartest camouflage is looking like you.
All right. So I'm gonna go to CapCut, and I'm gonna import it. And I'm gonna show y'all, bro. So yeah. So like I said, I'm out. And I hope you guys actually enjoyed the video. So yeah, so you see, so it makes it really, really great. And yeah, so we're gonna go to CapCut and actually test it out. And we're gonna test it out like one clip and see if it's worth keeping. So yeah, so we're gonna basically now basically have it do. It's basically so you see right here, so this is your thing. So what is the name of this voiceover? So what's the name of this voiceover character we use? So I'm gonna ask him for the character name, so that way it's gonna give it. So you see, so the voiceover character is a guy, especially right here. So the voice is from Microsoft Edge, yes. So you see, so name guy. So yeah, so you see voice ID. We just basically give it this right here, give it all this data, and for next time, and we could basically use the same data for it to give us the same voiceover back. So yeah, so like I said, if you like videos like this, bro, and if you like this, bro, please sure to drop a like. I go as hard as I could go. I don't know what else more do I want, bro. What else more do I want? But yeah, so like I said. This is way better than what the so-called gurus was out there giving out, bro. And yeah, so like I said, we use AI, and AI is basically scraping the Google, and it just gives us like what is available, what it got right now. So we just rest and repeat this way. And yeah, so I want to make sure I give y'all this whole chat where you can check it out. I want to make sure I download these CSVs and I put it inside the folder where you can check it out. So I'm gonna now go to here. I'm gonna basically come to this. I'm gonna basically now paste this voiceover file right here. So once I paste it here, I'm going to turn it up and we can hear it.
Why do U.S. fighter jets look like they have no camouflage at all? It's not because American engineers forgot how paint works. And it's not because gray looks cooler, though it does. The real reason is...
And they thought I was a course seller, by the way. I don't sell courses, but hey, enjoy the method. And yeah, I'm going to go to folder. I'm gonna basically show y'all a clip. I'm gonna show y'all a clip that'll work real quick. So I'm gonna go to downloads. And yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna see y'all, bro, in the next video. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video, bro. And it was well needed because, like I said, the gurus, they clickbait. They overcomplicate shit. They make shit hard. And yeah, so I'm gonna basically generate this caption real quick to show y'all that this is real. So I'm gonna go to audio captions and go to right here. I'm gonna generate this, and this is not our clip we're using. We're just testing this out, and of course we're gonna get fighter jets. But I just want to show y'all that this works, so that way you can use AI tool to make your own voiceover. So yeah, so like I said, you can make it male. You use a voice that has never been used before. You can use it over and over again. Once you have the CSV file, like I have this data right here, you can basically copy and paste the data and download these CSV files and just give it back this data for next time. So yeah, so you can see if we go to text, we actually have the whole voiceover. So yeah, so it's way better than what these so-called gurus recommending us, bro. ElevenLabs shit, overused shit. So it should be better now for y'all to get pushed. And if y'all like I said, if y'all like the video, bro, you can use this whole voiceover over and over again. You basically get the CSV, and if your trial runs out right, you got this data, you just give it right back. It's gonna give you the same voiceover over and over. You tell it to give you the same voiceover with the content ID, with the ID right here, and it's gonna give you the same voiceover back. So yeah, so long as you got the ID, only you got the access to that, you're good. So this is really how you scale up though. And I came through to give y'all my methods because I'm tired of y'all getting scammed by these coaches, these so-called gurus, and they don't really bring nothing to the table for real. So and I'm not being ignorant. They just don't bring shit to the table. They don't bring shit to the table. And yeah, so I'm gonna now go to this right here.
US fighter jets look like they have no camouflage at all. It's not because American engineers forgot how paint works. And it's not.
So you guys can see it's real. So yeah, so you can put the fire jets if you want, but that's for example. But like I said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Let's go.